Samsung A12 guys. Hard reset, volume up, saka power on. Power on nyo, pag lumabas yung Samsung, release yung power on, iwan lang yung volume up, tapos lalabas guys yung ganito. Okay, tapos select nyo na lang wipe data. Yan guys, tapos power on, ayan, down, for reset, select power on. Yan guys, nag-reset na. Check na lang natin. Check na lang natin guys. Okay, reboot, power on. Okay, hard reset yan guys ng Samsung A12. Okay guys, A12 reset guys. Wait na lang natin yan guys. Ayan guys, siya na lang guys maglalagay ng Gmail nya. Okay, format na natin yan guys. Siya na lang guys maglalagay. Skip na lang natin guys. Skip. Skip. Ayan guys, wala naman Gmail nya.
Isa dito, isa din, isa doon, isa dito.
Skip.
Napakadami niyang batch.
Skip.
Tapos, may nagpapantay ko sa inyong batang maliit. Ay!
Okay na yan guys.
Isa kang bisita
Okay.
ko. Ang pangit ng nagtaho. Dahil tayo 3:41 ng hapon, mahaba pa ang araw. Na bahala, relax. And enjoy the chocolate food. Pero ang bahala, okay? See you next week. Sabi nyo, see you next week.
Okay.